Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular models, the DXJJ portable washing machine and the Houseclean portable washing machine. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a more powerful machine, we've got you covered. Let's start with the price. The DXJJ portable washing machine is priced at $50, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a portable washing solution. On the other hand, the Houseclean portable washing machine comes in at $79. While it is more expensive, it offers additional features that may justify the higher cost for some users. Next, let's discuss capacity. The DXJJ model has a capacity of 10 liters, which is suitable for small loads. In contrast, the Houseclean model offers a slightly larger capacity of 11 liters, allowing you to wash a bit more laundry at once. This difference may be important for users who need to do laundry more frequently. Finally, let's look at power. The DXJJ portable washing machine operates at 10 watts, which is quite low. This may result in less effective cleaning for heavily soiled items. In contrast, the Houseclean model has a more powerful motor at 60 watts, promising a more thorough cleaning experience. However, this also means it consumes more energy. In conclusion, both the DXJJ and Houseclean portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The DXJJ is an affordable choice for those who prioritize portability, while the Houseclean offers more power and capacity for a slightly higher price. Be sure to consider your specific needs before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.